Artists have begun using calligraphy for the first time in these silk carpets. This design innovation has renewed interest in the market. It can also potentially invite young people to join the industry and further the art. The calligraphy work on these silk carpets is beautiful. Most of these carpets find buyers outside the country. Craftsmen like Shahnawaz are making sure that this craft does not perish. After completing his graduation from Fine Arts School, Shahnawaz started experimenting with these new designs. He not only has made use of calligraphy, but began weaving gold and silver threads into these carpets.
I'm a graduate in Fine Arts
and my whole family is into this craft. I wanted to go into this craft. I got a thought that I should do something different than the routine designs. I asked my father to convert my design into a carpet, and his customers loved it. And it gave me more support to work towards it. I started calligraphy art on carpets in Kashmir. The customers across the Gulf loved it. I made cultural paintings and people started loving it. I changed the trend and it reaped a lot of benefits.
Shahnawaz has also been training his artisans to use these new techniques. He has held workshops with artisans where they're taught how to use gold and silver threads and also calligraphy designs.
The workers needed some training and I also held a workshop for them. My father helped me a lot with this. The weavers didn't take much time to learn the new techniques. I'm getting a lot of orders after these new designs. If we do something different, I'm sure this art will grow more and more.
A local entrepreneur, Imad Parvez, has collaborated with Shahnawaz and is trying to build a luxury brand using the Kashmiri craft. The idea is to revive the art and introduce it among those who may not have come across this art form before, and to also spark youth interest.
I met with Shahnawaz, who was not only a fantastic craftsman, but he had the vision and the innovative style to make a product that can be pegged as a luxury product. So I collaborated with him and we're sitting in his showroom right now, and I collaborated with him, and him and we are working together, and we want to make a brand where we take all the Kashmiri crafts and we do something innovative with them. We not only perfect the craft, we also work on the lifestyle of craftsmen so that we retain them.
Incorporating new techniques and designs in Kashmir silk carpet is bringing in new life to this art. Not only is it helping in reviving this industry, but also generating opportunities of employment for the younger generation. With video journalist Feroz, Idris Sloan for WION World is One.
WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.